Hey guys, what's happening? How to trade on Kraken. Kraken crypto trading beginners tutorial. To trade on Kraken as a beginner, you must first create and verify your account. Fund it with cash or crypto, and then use either the simple buy or sell options for instant transactions or for more advanced Kraken Pro interface for detailed trading. So let's say you want just simply buy, you want to simply buy or sell the coin, right? I'm gonna hit trade at the bottom right. Press buy. Select your crypto, let's say Bitcoin, into the amount, and select your payment method. You can use if you have cash on the side or Apple Pay, or manually enter your debit card or credit card information. Next, hit the arrow thing to continue and confirm your purchase, right? It means essentially if you're buying Bitcoin that you're betting Bitcoin will go higher, right? At least in the upcoming months, years, whatever. And selling will do the same thing. You're selling the coin because you're expecting that Bitcoin will go down. So after you buy a couple Bitcoins or whatever, if you want to trade live, right, which is more advanced, if you want to be like on top of it, you're gonna use Kraken Pro. Inside Kraken Pro, you're gonna select your favorite trading asset or trading pair asset, and let's say BTC USD. Please be aware that this is not a financial advice, so whatever I do here, do not do the same. So for example, I'm buying. Okay, select your order or your order type. Let's say I'm using market. Market means essentially you're buying Bitcoin at the best price, right? So scroll a bit down. I advise you to set a TP and SL, or take profit and stop loss, so you can stop the bleeding or skim the profit off the top. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, execute the order, and you're gonna see your order here in the order section. Okay, so basically that's how you do it. After trading, you can monitor your portfolio from the dashboard, or you can monitor your trading inside the trading pair chart, right? And decide if you want to withdraw funds, right? If you want to withdraw funds, basically, or excuse me, stop the order, right? And then if you want to withdraw your Bitcoin, you gotta just go back and use the wallet, right? But first, we need to convert from Bitcoin to cash in order to withdraw it to a bank account. All right. So hit trade at the bottom right again, convert, and we're gonna enter the amount of Bitcoin we want to withdraw. Hit continue, and confirm that you want to withdraw Bitcoin to cash, and then go back and hit portfolio. Scroll a little bit down, hit US dollar, press withdraw, and basically enter the amount, say 150. Select your bank account right here from main account, and if you haven't, if you didn't add your bank account already, just hit add a new bank account. Add the IBAN and account number, bank name, and the BIC or SWIFT code. So basically, that's it. Important considerations: enable two-factor authentication for better account security. Be aware of the different fees for various order types and payment methods. Kraken Pro typically has lower fees for active trading. Trading cryptocurrency involves risk. Define your goal and risk tolerance, and consider consulting a financial advisor. So, see you in the next one.